What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Kentucky Vlogs. On this video, we're going to be telling you a little bit of an update. Did we shut down the car lot business? Are we still open? Did we run out of money and have to close it down altogether? Is the car lot business dead and you couldn't make it where you was at? Did the car lot business go bankrupt and you had to shut down your office? Or are you still selling cars and just haven't been able to upload? What's been going on? You're fixing to find out. Alright, so are we still in business at the car lot? Yes, we are. We're still selling cars. We've had a lot going on. We're going to talk about the different things that's been going on. I'm going to show you the inventory we've got up here at the car lot right now, how many cars we have and stuff like that, what we've sold recently, and then what's been slowing us down making videos, what's been going on with the business that's not as good as it was, and everything like that. So to start off with, let's just give you a look at the vehicles outside, show you what we got right now in inventory, and we'll start from there. Alright, so that's a quick look at the inventory there. We got a refrigerator up here now. We're going to be turning this into a break room and just cleaning all this garbage out of here. It's really piled up on us and gotten out of control, so we got to take all this stuff out here today and take it to a building that I've got now that I can store some parts and stuff in. This is all stuff out of vehicles. It's been accumulated stuff that's been in the vehicle, stuff we had to buy, ended up not using. Headlights and bumper cover is a project coming up. It's at the mechanic right now getting fixed, and that's a video that's going to be coming to the channel. The refrigerators, because we're going to make this a little break room, and because we're fixing, let me flip the camera and I'll explain. Alright, that's a look at the inventory we've got right now. That's all the cars we have. Two of them is not here. One's at the mechanic, one's at my house. So them are not here right now. We'll show them in later videos. One of them was wrecked, and I bought it wrecked, and it had a clean title but was hit in the front. So that's gonna get rebuilt after the mechanic is done fixing the mechanical part of it. And then I'm gonna rebuild it on video so y'all can see that. And then we've got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cars right now in inventory, with the 2 not here. The Durango is my personal one that I tow everything with. I've got another truck at my house that I just recently bought, but I don't want to tell you what that is right now until I do the video on it, because that's going to be a pretty good series on the channel. The vehicle that I bought and fixing it and everything, getting ready to be able to tow vehicles. I will tell you it is a diesel truck, so you'll have to wait and find out what kind of truck it is. That's going to be our main towing rig after it's all fixed and ready to go, because it's not ready right now, but we're going to get working on that pretty soon once we get a little more money built up for them side projects. So that's a look at the stuff. You've seen a tour of the office. That's what the office is recently looking like. We're going to get that cleaned out, like I said, because we want to make this place look a little bit better. We've been working on the front of it right now. We got all the files and everything organized. It was a little chaos, and got that cleaned up and got some forms printed back out that we needed and we didn't have on file, so we got that taken care of. We did take a little bit of a break because we went on vacation. I ended up going on vacation to a place called Chattanooga, Tennessee, and anybody familiar with that, that's a place that's got what's called a lookout mountain in Rock City and stuff like that. So that's a pretty cool place. We went down into a cave and everything on a tour down there, so that was pretty cool. That took about, I think, about a week of my time out of it where I didn't get nothing done. I sold a vehicle right before we left, and I haven't sold but one vehicle since I've been back from that, and that was about 2 or 3 weeks ago from now. I think 2 weeks really it's been now. And then I moved to a new house, so that's a big process that I've been working on. That took a lot of time out. So moving to a new house took up a lot of my time. I didn't have any time to do anything extra because it was messing with cars and then going straight to getting finished moving, packing everything up, hauling it out to the new place. Now I'm working on the new place and repainting it and everything, and that is on the video. The house I'm talking about, I'm calling the flip house on videos because I'm probably most likely going to fix it up. It's rent to own house, but to get in more details on it, you'll have to check out my video coming up on that house. They're not posted yet, but they are coming. I'm gonna have a video painting it. I've got a video cleaning up the overgrown yard on it. I've got a video that's gonna be doing everything I do to this house. I'm gonna record it on video. So you're gonna see me fix up this whole house. I got a pressure washer already. I'm gonna be pressure washing it. That's gonna be on video. Everything we do to this house is gonna be on video. And then it's a rent-owned house, so I'm gonna be renting it until it's paid off, and then the deed will go into my name on this house. And I got this house on a really good price, but I'm not gonna say any of that until you'll have to watch the video to find out that other information on the house. But it is potentially a flip house that's gonna be on the channel because I'm gonna fix it up and everything, and then when it's all done being fixed and then I pay off the house and get the deed in my name, I may potentially sell this house for a profit, or I might rent this house and go to another house and do it all over again as a second business. Other than only having the car lot, I might have that come in later on in a couple years or two as a second income that's coming in. So that's something that's been going on with the flip house. And then other stuff there's just been some other stuff that slowed me down and everything. You also have to keep yourself motivated when you're doing it by yourself. Right now we're trying to push as many buy here, pay here cars as we can so that we've got a solid income coming in, because right now I never had a lot of money to start with. So all the cars I buy, like right now I'm finally up to like 6 or 7 cars. And that was really tough to get to be able to afford that many cars at one time. And I am still where I buy so many cars and then I'm running low on money. So I'm not completely out of the woods yet, sort of to say, but I am getting a lot closer than what I used to be. So I'm trying to push out a lot of buy here, pay here, and I've got one vehicle ready right now, and then I'm working on 2 other cars that's going to be ready soon for buy here, pay here. My goal is to get 20 cars on buy here, pay here, because then I can be getting $5,000 a month just on payments without doing any other work. I can already get $5,000 a month on payments. So then from that point, I just continue pushing only payments to just get higher and higher on my income from just doing the buy here, pay here. So that's my goal, is to get 20 people on buy here, pay here. So anyways, we've had some stuff slow us down. We have not gone out of business. I've got a lot of comments and stuff asking if we were out of business. People messaging, wanting to know if we're still selling cars or not, what's going on, because we have went 2 months without posting, but that's just because, like I've explained, I've had a lot going on recently. And you can lose motivation for the videos because you're doing so much work on your own, and you just don't have time for the videos as much as you did before. Because for me, I'll have not a whole lot going on at all, and then all of a sudden it's really busy, and then it just wears you down. And then when you get when you get time that you don't have a lot going on again, you're so wore out from it being so busy that you want some time off. So I'm gonna try to focus on YouTube a little bit more so that I can push this channel a little bit better. I hope I can hit 350 subscribers soon. We're about 326 subscribers right now, so hopefully that can grow. So if you do like this channel and you want me to keep going with videos, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what kind of videos you want to see, and then I'll make sure that I put them kind of videos out. So make sure you do thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Let me know that you like what I'm doing and you want to see more. And then if you're interested in the flip house, you can comment down below and tell me that you want to see that, because I'm not sure if y'all want to see stuff about the flip house or not. It is something I'm doing, so I want to record it, but I do want to make sure that all the subscribers do want to see stuff about that, because this channel is about cars, but I figure since I'm doing something so big, and that's something, I've never bought a house before. This is the first time ever buying a house, so I thought that was a pretty big deal. So I want to document buying and fixing this house so that I've got it for later on. So if you want to see stuff about a flip house and you think that'd be interesting, just let me know in the comments. And as far as the cars go, I've got one that I had to repo again. That's going to be a video coming out on having to repo a vehicle for the second time already. That was a Grand Dam that I have, and I had it on the channel a couple times already. I had it on the channel before from where I had to repo it from the first person. Now I had to repo it again. So we're calling that a boomerang car that it keeps coming back to us, and we're going to do a video on that. And well, we already recorded where we had to repo it, but then we're going to record fixing it and how much we've made on that car so far. And I do break down on the repoing video what I've sold it for before and stuff like that. So make sure y'all watch for that video of the car we had to repo. We've got a PT Cruiser that somebody might be coming down to look at this afternoon when they get off work. We've got an 01 Chevy Impala that we was able to get a spare key for it made at the dealership. So we're going to be offering financing on that one with $700 down on it. And then we'll do the price we paid for these cars and stuff on another video, just to keep this one from being so long. We've got a vehicle that still needs to be picked up from ACV because we unwind the deal. So I'm gonna make a video about ACV, what I think about it using ACV and everything like that. So make sure y'all watch for the video on that. I've got a Ford Focus right now that's got a pretty serious problem, so I'm gonna do a video on that one. And then I've got one at the mechanic, like I said, that's gonna be a rebuild project, and I'm gonna record all that. Then I've got the diesel I talked about, that's gonna be a video. So we got a lot of videos coming. Make sure y'all subscribe to catch them when they come out. I don't know exactly when they'll come out, but I'm going to try to do at least one a week. And I've got some extra videos made, so there's already automatically going to be some come out once a week. And then when I record a new one, then there might be more than one a week. So that's what I plan to do to try to keep this channel going without any dead spots like we have recently. Because I do care about my subscribers, and I want to make sure they've got a video every week to watch, because I know, like, the people I watch, I like when they do at least one a week. And then if I can, I'll do more than one, but we're going to start out with just one solid video a week, and it'll be one that's about, comment down below, let me know if you want it about just like my day. Do you prefer like the day in a car dealer's life, or that type of video, or do you prefer to be about one specific vehicle? So each video will be about one vehicle. Would you rather that, or would you rather like a day in my life video? Let me know that down there below, because if y'all let me know some feedback, I can improve the channel for y'all, make what you want to see instead of just putting what I think might be good. So let me know that. And then we're gonna wrap it up right here. I think we pretty much covered a lot of stuff. We'll do a couple more videos explaining everything that's been going on and all the updates on the vehicles and stuff like that, what we sold recently and all that stuff. So make sure y'all stick along for the ride. We got a lot more videos coming. We'll see y'all in the next one.